Hi everyone. This video demonstrates how to create a double-sided stretch openwork knit with vertical sections. The pattern is based on an elastic rib stitch that involves 2 knit and 2 purl loops. The stitch pattern consists of 8 stitches and 2 rows. To start, you will need to cast on a multiple of 8 stitches. The pattern alternates between a solid section of 6 loops and an openwork section of 2 loops. In this knit, both sides can be right. It's your choice. Conditionally, we will assume that this one is the right side and this one is wrong. The openwork part has 2 loops and is knitted equally on both sides. The first row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, knit 2, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slope to the left, knit 2, and purl 2. Again, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 together with a slope to the left, knit 2, and purl 2. Keep repeating this pattern until the end of the row. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 2, purl 2, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together with a slope to the left, and purl 2. Again, knit 2, purl 2, yarn over, knit 2 together with a slope to the left, and purl 2. Keep repeating this pattern until the end of the row. I love this simple sectional knitting pattern of a double-faced solid, stretchy knit, suitable for cozy winter cardigans and sweaters, long warm scarves, and capes. I strongly recommend it. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click the icon of my Etsy Knit Not Space shop or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this. And I am excited to see you soon.